Now, heavy security deployment at Delhi's borders, where farmers have been protesting against the 3 new farm laws. Haryana Khap Panchayats have now put out a call last night to move to Delhi in support of the farmers' agitation at Singhu borders. Farmers have said that they will continue their protests. The Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee will address the media at 12 noon. It was supposed to be addressing the media by now at the Singhu border. Farmers' stir has taken a new turn as protesters face government's crackdown after the Republic Day violence and vandalism. Local protesters emerged at Singhu, Ghazipur border and Haryana's Rewari area, demanding that farmers vacate the protest site, citing inconvenience and, of course, the intentions of those violent protesters. Farmer unions have now witnessed a rift within themselves. 4 farmer unions have now decided to withdraw from the protests. They've withdrawn their support from this ongoing farmers' agitation.
हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं लाल किले वाला सानू कोई नहीं ना साडा कीता वो सरकार दा काम कीता है ना असी किसानां ने वो काम कीता ठीक है कोई नौजवान भड़के हुए कोई 2-4 चले गए
कुछ लोगों ने जो 26 जनवरी को इसको सेटबैक पहुंचाने की कोशिश की है वो कामयाब नहीं होंगे। हमारा कोई भी मकसद नहीं था पहले भी कोई लाल किले वाली जो घटना हुई है हमारा उनके साथ कोई संबंध नहीं है और कुछ लोग हैं जो हमारे इन संघर्ष को डाइवर्ट करके ध्यान को कहीं और लगाना चाहते हैं वो किसान आंदोलन के दुश्मन लोग हैं।
The police is taking no chances when it comes to ensuring that a repeat of the fiasco of 26 January does not recur. We are standing right now in the place which is the division between the tents of the Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee, which is sitting on the Delhi side of the border, and the main tents of the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, which is on the Haryana side of the border, and even the side roads. While I'm going to ask my camera person to pan a little towards this side and show, while barricading has been set up and massive police presence is on the highway itself, where the containers as well as the cement barricades are back in place. Even here on the side roads have also been completely barricaded off and in fact have been dug up to ensure that no tractors or even people can continue to walk in and out of the inside of the protest area, that is in fact inside towards the Haryana side of the Singhu border. Massive this entire place has been dug up to ensure that nobody can actually cross in and out, and a repeat of what happened on 26 January does not occur. At Singhu border with cameraman Pawan, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
We are at the Tikri border where agitating farmers are continuing their protest. This is the protest site. You can see though the crowd is thinning inside, but there are some farmer unions still camping in this area and the security.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.